move, bro.
Bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up.
Bro, look at that.
Okay, y'all, so I just want to come on here and record this little intro because I'm just a little late on this video, but I ain't made a video in so long and I'm getting right back in my editing phase, so I'm ready.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they're calling me Cassius. Aren't you like babesss? Greedy, I can't pass it.
So today's video, I'm going to be doing 4 different hairstyles for 4 different days with locks. So I'm starting off with this, and today is going to be Tuesday. Keep watching. Bye. So I know y'all probably got a lot of questions on how this happened, but I have been thinking about this and I just never mentioned it to nobody except my mother. But this just had to happen, y'all. My locks were very unhealthy and I had to take them down that day.
Oh my God, y'all see my head.
Anyways, y'all, I gotta get my edges back. Them wigs took my stuff, but anyways, y'all, I'm finna go get my hair done. I said this supposed to be a video of me showing 4 days of my, like, different hairstyles and my locks, but y'all, the day I made that video, I made that decision. So, y'all, I'm finna go get my hair braided. I'm gonna talk to y'all when my hair is done, and this is finna turn into a week in my life video. So, yeah. Bye, y'all.
Hey y'all feel like we about to go to a game and I'm about to cry because I miss going to a game and it feels like we about to go to a game. Alright, come on, I'm ready. Y'all watch us make this TikTok. It's the feet, man. Girl. Wait, it's the feet for me.
So y'all, we here. They told my son we gotta catch it. Y'all, look, this joint really is just stinging right now, y'all. Like, it's really just, it's a lot. So y'all, I'm back at the house or whatever from the little performance, and I'm gonna just give y'all a recap of what it was. Basically, we went to every single station, do the cheer in the hallway, and then we got a tour of the station, which is what y'all just saw. I can't put every video in there, but if you want to see the videos, you can go to @Cheer, which is the video that I made myself. That's really what we did at the ABC News if it wasn't clear, because I know I didn't say I've been lacking on my videos. But right now, I'm finna just show y'all doing my edges. Like, it's a week in my life, so I'm showing y'all what I'm doing. So I'm finna do my edges, and then the next clip y'all gonna see is for tomorrow. All right, bye y'all.
Go walk and see the pool open. Or something, whatever we doing, I don't know what we're doing. We got a lot going on.
Bro, look at that. Y'all see that?
Oh. Alright, you go first. What you doing?
Oh, that was close.
Oh my god.
Okay, hey y'all. So we got Chipotle today, and I got a burrito for the first time. Today we got a bowl. I'll show you.
Yeah.
Taste it. It's her bowl.
Ooh. Alright, we
I'm
got
scared.
we got the vinaigrette.
I'm scared.
It's good.
Yes. Oh, look around.
It's good.
You like it too. I'm glad you like it.
Ooh.
Okay. We gotta walk
We're back. We're back.
Yeah.
No, it's
No.
It said, it's whoa,
Bro, you gotta go
whoa,
slower.
Whoa, yeah. Now you.
On my mind, other than pussy, you can't put me. All these cool faces on me, I feel like Chucky. Don't even pay no dirty clothes on me. Really at you. If I leave the house, I can't say when I'm coming.
Okay, my bad, y'all. I couldn't even record an outro because I had practice this next day. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video and, you know, come back and see your girl post more YouTube content for school because, you know, it's back to school season. So just get prepared for the get rid of me and the school vlogs. And, you know, yeah. So come back to my channel always. Mwah.